up, good people? Today we're going to talk about alignment. Let's get into this video. Investment into your car. Man, I know y'all probably saying like, dang, he's talking about investments all the time in his car. But like I said, investment is your car, man, because it gets you from A to B to C. It takes you to places that, you know, saying you need to go. So we're going to talk about alignments because that's another key part of you keeping your tires well treaded throughout the years. So you don't have to basically, when you buy new tires, you don't basically have to go another maybe 2 years and then you like, dang, I just bought tires, so I need to get some new ones. So if you basically keep a rotation alignment on your car, you can get the best. You can get the best practicality out your tires, the best tire tread with alignment. Because like you may have it out of alignment, like your camera, your toe, and it get different type of wear and tear on your tires, and then you looking like, man, I just bought these tires. I basically spent X amount of dollars on these tires, and now I gotta buy some new tires throughout like 2 years in, and this tire is supposed to last me for at least about 3 or 4 years. So that's where the alignment come into play, because if you get the alignment, then you can basically get the best wear and tear out of your tires. So you can basically have it for about 5 years, and you like, dang. And when the car when your hold up. So basically, when your car come up for new tires, you can be like, oh dang, you know what? That gave me the best. Like last time you can think about buying tires, like, so basically the last time you think about buying tires was like 3 or 4 years ago, and you like, oh yeah, it is time for me to buy some new tires on my car. Because like I know when I used to buy tires, I used to buy them at the used tire place. We're gonna talk about that in the next video. About new tires versus old tires or used tires. I know when I used to buy tires, I used to buy used tires all the time. It was crazy. It was not a fun moment because, you know, but we're gonna talk about that in another video. But the alignment is basically more to keep your tires aligned, as in it give you the best driving ability. So you don't have to worry about your steering wheel shaking or giving you that rough road giving you that rough type of, you know what I'm saying, when you driving, it give you that rough shaking, trembling. You like, man, my car about to break down, and the whole time your car really not about to break down. It's just like it need alignment. And alignment is short to make sure all 4 wheels is correctly aligned with your car, and to help give you the best wear and tear on your tires. So if you don't get alignment, you're gonna basically see uneven type balance on your tires. Yo, this is it. This is 2 Minute Tip Tuesday. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the ArtOfSpeedd family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yo, and welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.